I mean, a lot of you are here to invest, right? And you want to invest in companies that are going to do well successfully. I know that's not the only reason you're here, because people show up to Geoship because they see that we're on a mission. They see we're going to have a lot of impact in the world in a lot of different ways. But isn't it amazing that we can have all that impact while a company that's going to be incredibly financially successful? This is a very low CapEx business with 30 to $50 million of CapEx. We're creating factories that are producing hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue and potentially even billions of dollars in revenue. And that's pretty insane because other companies are spending billions of dollars to build factories that produce billions of dollars in revenue. So our margin profile, like the amount of money we make every time we sell a home, is so good that we're going to be able to reinvest all the money we're making into getting bigger and bigger so we can deliver more and more affordable homes to the masses and keep lowering our price, keep expanding our reach, keep generating our impact, and keep scaling this company. And I truly believe we could become one of the biggest home builders in this country within 10 to 15 years. And just to kind of wrap your head around that, at less than like 0.03% of the US market, we're at over $200 million in revenue and over $100 million in profit. And that's a like small, little, tiny fraction in the market. I think within 10 to 15 years, we have a realistic chance of getting to like 2% market share, which puts us in a neighborhood of like $100 billion company. And that's the real potential here. We're very, very early, $44 million valuation. If you invest now in our crowdfunding campaign, I could not imagine a better investment and a better time to invest in this company. We'll probably raise one more round, which will be like a 30 to $50 million round at 5 to 10x our valuation right now. And that round will enable us to build a much bigger factory. And then from there, we should be able to grow with our own profits. And that's pretty abnormal for a startup to be able to get on path to being $1 billion company without having to raise any more money than Series A. And what that means for you guys, one of the benefits for the investors today is you're investing at a very low valuation, but we might only have one more round of investment here. So you're not going to have a ton of dilution. Where normally, if you invest in a company at this stage, there's a Series A round and a Series B round and a Series C round and a Series D round. And it's like lots of dilution between when you invest and IPO. My ask for you would be to just like make that leap with any level that's like comfortable for you. So if you're debating whether to invest like 5,000 or 10,000, but it just feels like too much, then start with 1,000 or start with 200. 222 is the minimum investment. Like start wherever you feel comfortable and then follow our journey.